Hey everyone, we're here at Five Below. Let's find some Christmas gifts. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a Christmas gift guide here at Five Below. Five Below always has a ton of gift sets over here, like some activities to do. Let's check all of these out. Look at this. This is an unbelievable science. This is glow-in-the-dark crystals. Looks like you can grow your own crystals, or even if you wanted to grow your own underwater coral reef, this is like a kit. It's for 8 and above. They even have this tie-dye kit for $5. Now, I remember this going for like $20 when it was super popular. So that's a good deal. They have this Bubble Bliss Spa. Get bubbly with bubble bath and scented soak. So that would be fun for a little girl, just say 6 and above. They have this personalized jewelry studio if you have a little girl wanting to make some jewelry. Okay, this is pretty cool. This thing is a Hershey's chocolate drink maker. It includes chocolate drink maker in 2 cups and instructions. Kind of looks like a Keurig. Look at that. I thought this was super funny. These are little kitten paws and you can put them on your fingers and then act like you have little kittens. That's so funny. This is $3. And if you don't want to be a little kitten, you could have octopus tentacles for $3. Oh my gosh, they even have alien hands. Shot slingers. Not what is, oh, that might be something different. Look at these little tiny hands. I don't know if you've seen people using these in videos, but they're using these little tiny hands to like bake with and even make slime with. Okay, I can't believe I found those. That's funny. Have someone that likes to do like gags in your family, they have a ton of different things here. The viral hand sanitizers. Now, Five Below kind of has a dupe for $3. This is, it's a little bit different shape, but it is scented as an apple hand sanitizer. And looks like they also have it in peach. I found this body butter by Solar Flare. Now this does Brazilian Caramel Dreams Body Butter. So this does look like it is a dupe for some other body butters. If I can find it, I'll definitely put it right here. If you have someone that is really into skincare, check out at Five Below. Let's look at everything that they have. They have this this beauty ice massager. Okay, so for $3.50. It looks like you fill it up with some water and then you freeze it. They have this vibrating facial massager. They have a spa hair bow. That's always good for $4. They have a cracked heel stick. Oh, I love these brushes. I've always wanted to get one. This is a large oval blending brush for $5. I don't know. Those just look super soft. Now, I've seen the makeup brush solution to clean it, but I haven't seen these makeup brush wipes. So you get 30 count for $2. This is a cleaning pad and brush holder. Oh, that's kind of neat. So I guess those little indentions right there are used to like clean your brushes. That's pretty neat. I haven't seen that before. Oh, they even have like this makeup cleaning mat brush. Yeah, that seems like that would be really good because usually when I clean my brushes, I just use my hand. So I like that idea. Ooh, they have a foot file. Now, I bought one of these off of Amazon. I'll link it right here and down below. That one works extremely well, but this one's only $5. Mine did come with different kinds of callus remover courses. It says it buffs away tough, hard skin in minutes, and it is battery operated. Okay, so mine is rechargeable. Clean Logic, it says this is your new skin's BFF because you deserve the softest, smoothest, and healthiest feeling skin ever. It looks like they have different shapes. I'm gonna feel this. It's like a 2-in-1 face cloth, so you can like, this is a little bit more for like exfoliating and it won't scratch you. These are pretty soft. Oh, this one's a little bit rougher, but you can put your hand in there. And they have those in green and orange. They have a lot of peel off masks and even those like jelly masks. Oh my gosh, seriously, Reese's chocolate peanut butter scented face mask. I don't know about all that. That's kind of, I don't know. Would you use a Reese's Pieces face mask? To me, something like a peach would be nice. Now this looks like it is a foot mask. I see the little feet right here. I think I would do that. Oh my gosh, My Little Pony rose scented face mask. Cooling face sheet mask in pink lemonade. And they also have like little gift sets. These are $5 each. They have a ton of shoes for $5. Oh my goodness, look at those. Ooh, that's not real soft, but maybe it'll feel good on your feet. Oh, they've got these, like these little bubble stuff. Very interesting. I'm more of a cozy girl, really. Oh, these look like the knockoffs of those UGG shoes. They even have like the fuzzies inside. Definitely probably not UGG quality, of course. I love UGG. They are my favorite. Universal tablet stand. This would be good to just have, like, you know, maybe in your kitchen while you're cooking. You could watch something or listen to something. $5.55 for that. And if you have like a MacBook or even a laptop, they do have these laptop stands. Oh, I love how it has these vents right here. It says it can do a 360 rotation, adjustable height, and these are $8. They have it in pink, a clear. This one's a metal laptop stand. Oh, that one's even all open right there. I like that. And like a silver. These are some cases for your AirPods. Looks like they have a keychain with them. All different kinds of shapes and different things to put your AirPods in. Donuts. Those are cute. These are so cute. This is a Bubba tea fridge. Now this is like a mini beauty refrigerator. I think these are so cute. These are $25 and it looks like you can get a purple one or even like a peachy pink color one. These are cooling. It looks like it has a removable shelf. Let's see if we can look inside of it. Oh, there we go. So this is kind of what it looks like. So you can keep your beauty products in there. And they say it reduces some inflammation if you put your lotion on. Cool, I have no idea, but it's cute. Don't forget your kitties for Christmas. And look at this cat mushroom scratcher. Redirect scratching away from furniture. And look at that kitty. She is so cute. It's for scratching, playing, and climbing. Let's see how tall it is. Does it say how tall it is? Okay, you get one small post and one large post. But it doesn't say how tall it is. Or you can even get this cat scratching post with a laser. Oh my gosh, that would keep your cat busy forever. It's 2 speed modes plus a scratching post, and the laser is automatic. Okay, I love that. I love mugs, so let's see what we can find here. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. They have Care Bears. Nope, not today with Stitch. No more caffeine for you in Stitch. These are so cute. Even have a little elf. If you need a chair but don't have the room to always keep a chair, like for guests or anything, you can get this inflatable chair. Wow, and it has a maximum weight limit of 200. They have it in clear, purple, and pink. That is fun. And they also have an inflatable ottoman for $5. Pickleball is pretty popular right now. I think it's good for all kids of all ages, and you can get this tabletop pickleball set. So that's fun, and they even have the pickleball balls as well. If you have one that loves all of your stuffed animals, this is like a hammock that you can like hang in their room. You can put all of their toys in it. So cute. Look how cute this is. And I like it because it's that macrame style and love the color. This is $5. Five Below has a ton of games, and I kind of like these because these are not huge games, so they are a little bit more compact. You've got this pop-up game here, got mini games. Oh, remember this game? Fish and Fun. That was always fun. Or you can even catch the dinos. They have a wooden classic game of tic-tac-toe. Murder mystery. For the artists in your family, they have a lot of things for them to do. Let's see what this is. This is paint your own poster. So that's what it would look like. Ceramics that you could paint. That one's actually correct, so double check that. This is a palette and knife and cup set. So if you want to like mix some different colors together, for $5 you can get this acrylic paint set. They have this watercolor paint set. Now this is like color shifting iridescent paint is what it says. Yeah, they even have this little guy right here because he's kind of iridescent. Oh, look at these mug ball pens. Those are funny. I love pens and everything. They have a glitter glue set. This is a huge awesome deal. For $5, you can get this gouache paint set. It includes 12 paints and the storage box. And I'm telling you, this is like pretty darn heavy. I'm gonna get this for my daughter, I think. They have some tempera paint sticks, polymer clay, so if anybody likes to do some clay molding. They have a lot of this gua sha. Now, I love gua sha. I have, what shape do I have? I don't know if they have the shape that I have, but I love using the gua sha on my actual face. But they have these are $3.50. It does say it's natural stone. Now I know at the Dollar Tree they have them, but they're plastic and I just don't go for that. But they have it in a butterfly shape here. Ooh, and these are pretty. So $3.50, that's pretty good deal. This is a crystal hair remover. Now I've seen these floating around the internet, but I don't know. I actually epilate. And I'll leave my epilator that I use down below. That works really good. For $5, you can get this dry body brush. This is good for your lymphatic system. Oh my goodness, this looks so cool. It's firming booster for plump, smooth skin. Okay, I just want it because it looks so neat. And they've got different ones here. Vitamin C peptides and what is this? Resurfacing, boosting, rejuvenating face cream. Wow, look at that. Oh, no. How do they get that in there? I found the dupe for the Drunk Elephant Dewdrops. Five Below has their own. This one is $4 now. I just found the dewdrops at my Dollar Tree for $1.25, and we did do a little test out on them. It worked really good. Watermelon whipped sugar with mint. I love the packaging. This is $4. Oh, I really want to smell it. It looks really good. Five Below has these brushes out, and they do have them that you can feel them. These are really soft. I really like them, and they're all between $3 and $5 each. Look at that size. I love it. These are pretty good quality. Now, I haven't used them with anything. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.